Drink jou water. Drink jou water. Drink jou water.
So we're on the same side. You and the eagle fly, is it?
That's my best eagle.
And be aware, he uses cheap tactics. Like he's got this super hot lawyer, so it's like all around the jury and the podium or whatever.
Drink jou water. Drink jou water.
Please sit down. Okay, Miss Sanchez, it's Miss. I am the
What's
only
your
one who will be dismissing
Kijk
the
hier.
charge today.
Kijk hierin.
Being a juror isn't just your civic duty. It's fun. Legitimately give a reason why you can't be here. Why? My dad is blind. Gino, sorry. I am a receptionist at Tim's office.
Self in die kop slaan. Self in die kop slaan. Ja, is pas gegom daar so. Hallo.
Vat hierin. Vat hierin. Vat hierin. Vat daai. Vat daai.
Ja, hy hou meer van die ander
Vat
een.
daai.
I find this juror to be fair and impartial.
Sit gewoon in jou mond. Nog 'n foto neem. Mille.
Ek kan nie doen wat hy doen nie.
Nee. Kan jy jou voet in jou mond sit? Nope. Ek dink dit. Julle het my nou baie geëntertain, baie dankie. Volgende môre aand, selfde tyd, selfde plek. Dankie.